Cornelius, I was getting ready to summon something, but then I remembered Clarence vomiting up a pile of X-Men in preparation for X-Men 97. I believe, as of right now, we're going for less than a week until the premiere. So, we're continuing our countdown with even more X-Men. I think next in the pile is our heroclix. So I say, let's open them up! Welcome to Z's Toy Box. I'm Z, this is Cornelius, and today we're bringing you heroclix, X-Men The Rise and Fall series. I fell in love with heroclix like when it first came out, like a long time ago. Like before they had the licenses and it was just made shy. And it was all like their original kind of fantasy creatures and things, and it was awesome. And my friends and I played a lot. This is kind of a grab bag of X-Men related things. So everything from Shi'ar, Brotherhood of Evil Mutants, Exiles, and what I'm the most excited for, the Krakoan era stuff. So I say we just open them up. Now, apparently there's 70 figures in the series and a rare Deadpool coming out of a birthday cake. I mean, that would be good in preparation for the new Deadpool and Wolverine if we got that, but I'm hoping more for Krakoa. Let's see. Each one has 5 random figures. Alright. It's like the ultimate mystery maker. Super tiny and super mysterious. Yes! How do? Right now, the Sabretooth War is going on in the comics, and Sabretooth and Wolverine. One of my recent most favorite characters. Destiny! I believe Korvac. That was 10, 20 years ago when the X-Men were hanging out with the Shi'ar and this guy was popular. Oh, I don't know about popular, but he was there. And I assume Sebastian Shaw? Alright, here's the thing with these. These sets have some of the most obscure characters that I'm not even sure. So Corvus and Sebastian Shaw. Okay, I got that. That was 5 for 5. So with each character you get the stat cards. Also on the back, it has some, like, the cover to a comic that was kind of significant. And Marauders, still one of my favorite series ever. And then has some, I guess, random bad guy stats to fight against, including Skinless Assassin, FHD Apes. Oh god, there's more. Orcus Soldier. Ooh. If you're reading X-Men currently, Orcus. I'm so done with them. Horticulture, the crazy old lady supervillain. Phobos Armor, Covenant Kava. So these are pretty current. Alright. Let's try box number 2. Okay, I'm not even looking at the front. I'm saying Shadow King. Oh, this guy, he has no skin and can control his muscles. I can't think of his name. Callisto. I have no idea from the back. And a Hellfire Soldier. Oh, it's Jamie, Multiple Man. Oh god, he has like bits hanging off of him. That's attractive. Man. Shadow King really is the stuff of nightmares. The creepy, needle fingers. Oh, the guy that I said had no skin, his name's just Skinless Man. Listen, I said not gonna get all of them, but at least I knew of him. Ow, I missed the name. It's like, yeah. But look at the, oh my god, there's bits of him hanging off and ew, oh god. Are those intestines? That's lovely. I gotta say I'm pretty happy, because I knew there was like alternate reality Exile ones and some Shi'ar stuff, which there's nothing wrong with, but I was mostly here for the main line and Krakoa, and it delivered, including my first, like, because they've never made a Destiny action figure, this is the best I have right now. I could put her with the rest, and she just got shrank. Or something went wrong with the resurrection process and she came out extra small. Overall, these are kind of insane. I've always just kind of been blown away by the detail on such tiny little figurines, and that's with any of the series of heroclix. Even back in the day when it was just with Dragons and Knights, it was pretty insane. That pre-painted and everything, you pull them out of the box, and you're ready to go. Thank you so much for tuning in as our countdown continues. The amount of X-Men toys we have will probably exceed the premiere, but then we'll just say we're celebrating each week of X-Men with more X-Men toys, because there's a lot. So make sure you tune in next time for more random finds, random mysteries, and who knows what else. Again, you've been warned. It's more X-Men. If you get a chance, hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps us out. And we will see you next week. I just fill Cornelius with little heroclix X-Men, and it's like he's giant Sentinel. We tune into X-Men 97, and the new design of the Sentinels is this. How do we make you? Totally gonna make him cosplay the Sentinel. Bye!
And here we have heroclix by WizKids. The X-Men Rise and Fall booster packs. I don't know if I want to call this a team, but you know what? Now that Krakoa is a thing, this, I guess, could be a team. Long live Krakoa!